Did you know the black widow spider is one of the most famous spiders in the world? Let's uncover 5 fascinating facts about these mysterious creatures. Fact 1. Super strong venom. The black widow's venom is incredibly powerful, 15 times stronger than a rattlesnake's. But don't worry, black widows are shy and only bite in self-defense, and their bites are rarely fatal to humans. Fact 2. Famous red hourglass female black widows are easy to spot thanks to the bright red hourglass shape on the underside of their round black abdomen. This marking warns predators to stay away. Fact 3. Webmasters. Black widows spin irregular super strong webs close to the ground, often in dark hidden places. Their silk is so strong it's said to be tougher than steel of the same thickness. Fact 4. The widow name. They're called black widows because the female sometimes eats the male after mating, but this doesn't happen every time. Fact 5. Nature's pest controllers. Black widows are carnivores that help keep insect populations in check by eating flies, mosquitoes, beetles, and more. They play a big role in keeping our ecosystem balanced. So while black widow spiders might look scary, they're important, fascinating creatures that help nature thrive. Remember, if you see one, give it space and respect its home.